Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you Ricky's Cult Crushes. This is a monthly subscription box, and this is the first time I have ever gotten it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what was in this month's box. This is February's. So as you open the box, it's actually really nice inside, as much as you can see without me dumping everything. And then it comes with a card, all the information on the back. Alright, so I'm going to go through the little stuff first and then get to the bigger stuff. So first, from my understanding, they always send you something a little kind of crazy. So I guess this one's crazy product would be these. This is Nippies. I'm not going to get into what they are. So if you know what they are, you know what they do. Alright, so next, I have Slay All Day Setting Spray in Cucumber. I've heard like really good stuff about this, so I'm super excited to try it out. Really excited to try this. I'm sorry if you hear coughing in the background. My kids are currently sick. Alright. And then I got 5 pairs of natural wispy eyelashes, which look great. And last is a palette. This is on the back. I'm not going to swatch all these. However, I am going to open it to show you guys the palette itself. So this is the palette, and it's really cute. I believe there are several different palettes this month by the same company. I'm really glad I got this one. So I will do a swatch video on these another day when I have more time. So that is what I got this month from Ricky's Cult Crushes. I believe it's evens out to about $17 a month, which isn't bad for what you get. I believe, let's see, the lashes alone, yeah, there's a SKU back here, are $9.99. So I mean, just this alone, you're pretty much getting a huge deal. So I like it. I think it's a really good subscription box. If you've never tried it, never heard of it, I will leave the link below and you guys can check it out for yourselves. And I think that's it. So that's going to do it for this video. I know it's pretty short, but I really wanted to show you guys this monthly subscription box. I think it's really cool. So anyways, if you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up, hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.